137 Alpha Lima, radar contact, proceed on course.
On course, 137 Alpha Lima, thank you.
Celsius, dew point 24 Celsius, altimeter 3001. Remarks, density altitude 2,600.
Razorback clearance, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima on the ground at Bentonville, looking for VFR flight following to Kilo Golf Mike Juliet.
Roger, and you said that full call sign 167 Alpha Lima for Razorback clearance?
Razorback clearance, that's 137 Alpha Lima.
Roger, stand by. 137 Alpha Lima, 1 airborne, squawk 1574, departure frequency 126.6.
266, 1574, once airborne. 137 Alpha Lima, thank you. Flight following's obtained, flight instruments. This is way off. Comm nav transponder set, I'm gonna put 126. 6 in the standby. Flaps are up. I'll test the brakes. My brakes work. Run up. Brakes are applied. Flight controls are free and correct. 1710 left. 1600 drop of 110 back to both. 1700 right. 1610, drop of 90 back to both. Carburetor heat hot. Throttle comes back to idle. Idle smoothly, doesn't die. Carburetor heat in. Idle at 1,000, mixture clean. If anything happens on the departure before 55, abort. After 55, rotate. If anything happens after rotation, we pitch forward, set it down in front at the most suitable site. I haven't flown Alpha Lima in a while. Main concern here is remembering that the second radio is unreliable, so we're only going to use it for weather information. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, holding short 18 Alpha 4, Bentonville. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, departing runway 18, left downwind departure to the north, Bentonville. Alright, lights are all on. Approach is clear, runway is clear, window is locked, door is locked, passenger side is also locked. Full throttle, heels on the floor. Got sufficient power, temperature, pressure in the green. Speed's coming alive. 50, 55. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, left crosswind 18, Bentonville. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, left downwind 18, departing the area to the north, Bentonville. I'll wait a couple seconds, make sure there's no one here. Razorback departure, good morning, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, 2,400.
137 Alpha Lima, Razorback departure ident.
Ident, 137 Alpha Lima.
137 Alpha Lima, radar contact, proceed on course.
On course, 137 Alpha Lima, thank you. Head towards Grove.
30.
Okay, so the secondary radio works in the sky, just not on the ground. There's the Centerton 7 Brew over there.
Departure, good morning, Skywest 5969, 2600, climbing 5000.
Goes 5969, Razorback departure, radar contact, climb maintain, 15,000, resume on navigation.
Morning, Razorback departure, citation 3, 2 Decker Bravo, 2.1 for 4,000, going ahead and go 120 on the Spring 5.
323 Echo Bravo, Razorback departure, radar contact, climb maintain, 15,000, resume on navigation.
I wonder what the visibility is like. Definitely above 10. I'm not concerned with it, but I am a little curious what this would be considered. Might be able to get Siloam's weather, see what's going on down there. It is way off our course, but might as well. Nope, can't get it. And I'll start to level off here. We're leaned. I'm going to bring the throttle back to cruise. Cruise power is set. Elevator trim. I'm working on it. Mixture is leaned as required. Engine instruments. Monitor. I'm going to leave all our lights on. I can turn off that red light. It's starting to get light in here. I can see Siloam. Or no, sorry, that's X and A. I can see National off our wing. Got the weather at Grove.
Razorback Approach, friendly 404, good morning. 5,500, climbing 10,000, direct over. Friendly 404, Razorback Approach, the Fayetteville 3 altimeter, 29er. 29er, friendly 404.
Hawaiian shaved ice is exactly what that tastes like.
Brickyard 4695, contact Kansas City Center 128.6, good day.
128.6, Brickyard 4695, good day.
.137 Alpha Lima, departing my airspace to the northwest, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Have a good one. 137 Alpha Lima.
Thanks, you too.
She was nice. Grove traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, 10 miles to the southeast, inbound for the left downwind runway 18, Bentonville, or Grove. I always do that. Okay, idle. Gotta lose some speed.
Good morning. This is Neosho Hugh Robinson Airport. Automated test advisory. Winds calm.
I don't want to hear about
Visibility better than 10
Neosho.
miles. Temperature.
Alright, 900 more feet to the traffic pattern. Altitude. Grove traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, 7 miles to the southeast. Inbound for the left downwind 18, Grove. I like this. We have so many fields. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel good. That's a bad joke. Sorry, guys. I believe that's the airport offer.
Eldorado traffic, Skyhawk 3100 traffic, 5, southwest, across Bentonville, left downwind 15, Eldorado.
That was not for Grove. Definitely warmer down here, like immediately, as soon as you get below like 2,000, 3,000 AGL, you feel it. Grove traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, 4 miles to the southeast, entering the left downwind 18, Grove.
Grove Regional Airport, automated weather observation, temporarily inoperative.
Well, that's nice. Not seeing anyone in the area. Hanging out at pattern altitude. Grove traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, left downwind 18, Grove. Landing point today is going to be the 1,000-footers. Grove traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, left base 18, Grove. Not seeing any traffic, flaps 20, 7 Alpha Lima, final 18, Grove. Ugh, smells like cows. Landed flat for sure. Good shimmy there, golly. I'm actually gonna roll it down because they're in the southwest corner anyway. Grove traffic 137 Alpha Lima, rolling down the runway to the FBO. Grove. Oof. They need to build this, rebuild this nose strut now. Now that Sierra Papa's is fixed, good lord. Oh, there's our crew car. That's so funny. Grove traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, clear 18 on Bravo 2, Grove. Can't believe they just left the car on the ramp. That's so funny. Alright. Avionics off.
November 3
Cruise
Tango
checklist.
Foxtrot, contact Memphis Center 126.1. Have a good day.
Is set.
6-1, you
Elevator
are
trim, I'm working on it. Mixture is leaned as required. Engine and
Skywest
instruments are still in the
5853,
green,
Razorback
leaning
departure, radar
left,
contact,
strobe light
maintain
off.
15,000, turn right on course to Neosho, Echo Oscar Sierra.
Climb maintain 15,000, right turn on course to Echo Oscar Sierra, Skywest 5853.
Razorback Approach, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, got a VFR request.
November 137 Alpha Lima, Razorback, go ahead.
137 Alpha Lima, good morning again. We're 20 miles northwest of X and A. Looking for a VFR flight following back to Victor Bravo Tango.
97 Alpha Lima, flag 0417.
0417, 7 Alpha Lima.
97 Alpha Lima, radar contact 20 miles north of X&A Airport, say altitude, altimeter 3002, and advise weather at Bentonville.
3002 at 3,500, and I have the weather, 7 Alpha Lima.
Approach, hello, King Air 870, searchlight 16,000, got the weather, Springdale.
Good morning, King Air 8700, Charlie Razorback Approach, just going to maintain 4,000, expect visual approach, runway 18.
4,000, expecting a visual into 180, searchlight.
I was not kidding, this burrito is really good.
Skywest 5853, contact Kansas Center 128.6. Have a good day.
128.6, Skywest 5853.
Departure Derby 497, 2.4, climb at 5,000 on the Hypo 9.
November 5497, Razorback departure, radar contact, come and maintain 15,000.
15,000, 5497.
November 5497, turn left on course to Memphis.
Left turn Memphis, 5497.
November 5497, did I give you Memphis? I'm sorry, I forgot.
You did.
Thank you. And 626 Mike 0, X-Nays on your left side there, 6 miles. 626 Mike 0, X-Nays on your left side. 97 Alpha Lima, resume on navigation to Bentonville. No traffic observed between you and there. Change advisory frequency approved. Have a good day.
Oh, navigation over to advisory, have a good one, 137 Alpha Lima. Approach descent checklist. We have the weather, our fuel selectors on both, mixture full rich.
Bentonville.
Carburetor heat we'll use as required. Flight instruments are checked and set. Lights on. Approach briefing. Come in west of the field, cross midfield for the left downwind. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, 10 miles to the north. Gonna be overflying midfield, entering the left downwind, 18, Bentonville.
Wind 140 at 04.
Okay, still barely any wind. So field elevation 1300, traffic patterns 2300. We'll cross over the field around 25 or 2600. And right here, we're 300 below the Charlie. We have nothing to worry about. If we go that way, it goes to the ground, so that's going to be an issue. So we're not going to go that way. We're going to go straight. Bentonville traffic, Skyhawk 137 Alpha Lima, 4 miles to the north. Going to be overflying midfield, entering the left downwind, 18, Bentonville. Got the roundabouts in sight. Going to stay on the east side of those. Bentonville traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, crossing midfield, enter the left downwind, 18, Bentonville. Bentonville traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, left downwind, 18, Bentonville. Alright. We're beaming the touchdown point. I'm going to bring the power back. Carb heat's in. Give it a second. Off some speed. Under 85. Laps 10. Pitching for 75. Bentonville traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, left base, 18, Bentonville.
Bentonville traffic, Pilatus 479er Lima Tango, holding short of 18 Alpha 4.
Bentonville traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, final, 18, Bentonville. definitely lands flat compared to 1 Sierra Papa. I'm sure it's just, I mean, I did the same thing in Vicky Ricky, just the older models fly a little differently than I'm used to. Bentonville traffic, 137 Alpha Lima, clear 18 east side, Bentonville. Strobe light, landing light off.
Bentonville traffic, Pilatus 479er Lima Tango is going to back taxi runway 18 for full length departure to the south, Bentonville.
Westerly VFR. Alright, elevator trim reset. And we are all good to go. 20-minute flight. What are we talking about? That was so quick. Okay, I got 4 minutes to park the plane. Whoops. Sorry guys.